Hello, this is a small video that will show how the mobile application is connected to the back office. Okay. This will be just a very small intro video just to show how things are connected. Okay, let me just say how all this work. So we have here on the left what is called reflector. This window is my mobile. Okay, this is my mobile being reflected on the screen. Here is, let me try to move this a little bit further. Okay, so here on the right side is a normal browser which is logging to the application. Okay, okay. So here is my application, the back office, and here is my mobile. Let me first of all log in. Uh, Let me log in with an admin account. This is admin. Okay. Now, on the mobile, I have already the application installed, and here it is. Okay. Once I open the application, there is something here on the top, just under the logo. It's where we enter the code. What is the code? The code is the code of the company. If I go here to configuration, I have company info. In the company info, we have here a company code. So this is the company code that should be entered here on the mobile part. This is just for the mobile to understand which company information he will be gathering. I will just enter here PCS, and then we click on this circle arrows here. This will simply download all the information, the medrep, the call cycles, etc., everything from the back office to the mobile. It gave me server not available. I'm doing many things at the same time, so the internet gets slow. Just try another time, it will work. Okay. Now, once we have this, we have here the company ID and the company name, which is the same that is entered here. So the company code and the company name will appear here once it is synced. Then we have on the middle bottom here, we have the list of the mobile users. Who are the mobile users? So the mobile users are the medical representative, which are here, and every medical representative has a password. So in order for Marie Haddad to log in, the password is 440. For Marie Salemi, also it is 4 times 0. Okay. So let me just put, let's say, Mariam Salemi, and I will put the password 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and click on sign in. Okay. Once I signed in, as you can see, I have the two two pharmacies that can be visited. Now there is a button down on the bottom, something called all my customers. If I click on all my customer, we will see all the customers of Marie Salemi. If we click on today's customer, this will be the call cycle. So meaning if I go to call cycle now, and I go to cycle June for Marie Salemi and click on routes, Friday June, which is today, we go to POI, you will see these are the two customers that should be visited, which are appearing here. Okay, let me log out and log back in. Okay, I need to, okay, I'm logging in multiple times because I have a lot of things at the same time connected to the internet, so it's getting slow. Especially that I'm also displaying my screen. Okay, so let's say we need to do a visit. I will just click on Best Care Pharmacy and I will click on Start Visit. Now, since the application is the first time I installed it, I have just security right from the Android. Okay, let me just write anything for now. We will discuss this later on. Let's go to samples. Let's say I want to give Marie Salemi samples. I will click on Add Item. Okay, as you can see here, the list of items are being displayed. Now, let me explain a little bit how it is, how it all work. If I go to items, if I go to, let's say, this amoxicillin, this is belonging to a product line called drugs. Then, if I go to product line access, I will see that Mariam Salemi has access to drugs. So here I'm seeing only the items that Mariam Salemi has access to. So Mariam Salemi has access to dental and drugs. If I go back to items, we will notice, I will go to the last list. Let's say the eye chart, which is tech, is not available in the list. Okay, so let's say I gave her two of this item. I will click on add, view added item, then I will click on back and I will end the visit. Okay, so mainly in this video I just wanted to show how everything work together. Now mainly if I just close everything, okay, and open back the program, okay, okay, you will see that after a couple of seconds the company information and everything is entered back into the system, meaning I don't need to enter the company code every time. It will be saved for the other entries. Okay. Okay. just before closing, one small thing. If you go to the all visit details, okay, we can see that, let me sort, okay, we can see that this is the visit that has been made on the mobile, okay. So this is the visit, the product code, this is the sample that was taken. Okay, we will give more detail about the mobile at a later stage. Thank you. So just before closing, for just small detail, the idea is just how the link of the mobile will work with the back office. This was the purpose of this small demo. Thank you for watching.